everyone, my name is TV and welcome to another Alpha Impact Guide. Following our release of Trader Signals monetization, traders can now monetize their portfolio to earn a bit of extra cash from their subscribers, and subscribers can subscribe to these traders to have access to exclusive insights as well as information. So for this episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to monetize your portfolio. So let's go! Okay, so now that we're on the Alpha Impact platform, I'm going to teach you guys how to monetize your portfolio. So firstly, just go to Profile and then you go to Monetization and you scroll down and you can just click Monetize. And then you can choose the amount of, you can set your own price to how much you want to charge your subscribers. So I'm just gonna put like $2 USD. And then click I understand and then click monetize your portfolio, and it's that easy to monetize your portfolio. So this is how you monetize, and you can always adjust your fee, but your subscribers will only be charged the new price starting from the second next billing date. So that's about it, and that's how you monetize your portfolio. So that's it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.